Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. As part of this video, I'm going to talk about data preparation, which is an important process as part of your machine learning architecture design. Before getting into this topic, please subscribe to my channel and like it. The following actions are done usually as part of data preparation. Those are data cleaning, feature engineering, transforming the data. We talk about each and every step that is defined here. Data cleaning. I can compare data cleaning process with cleaning the vegetables before cooking. Why do we need to clean the vegetables before cooking? Since we want to remove all the dirty from vegetables, which is not good for health. In the same way, the raw data we got from data source may contain unnecessary data, which is not important for our machine learning model. And also, it may contain missing and invalid values, sometimes duplicate data as well. You see the table here in the picture. In the first row, we have the country name India. In the second row, you can see that IND. So the country name is not consistent. And also, if you see the date of birth compared to the first row and second row, it's in a different format. And also the age. The first two rows contains the 3930 as a number, an integer. The third row contains a text value. And the fourth row is a duplicate for first row. So you can expect this kind of inconsistencies in your raw data. As part of data preparation, we have to eliminate all these anomalies from your data, and we have to ensure that data is consistent. Next, the feature engineering. Feature engineering is a process that is part of data preparation, which requires the domain knowledge to find out the correct features, value required for ML model. Feature is nothing but an important characteristic value that helps to solve the problem. Feature engineering is a critical process which extracts the important features for your machine learning model. If you don't give right features or inputs to your machine learning algorithm, it doesn't give the right result. Next, transforming the data. What are the steps that we discussed until now are the actions that are required to transform the data. To transform the data in a right format and with required features for your machine learning model. The cleaning the data, extracting the features, and making the data in a right format, that will be an input for your machine learning model.